Sofia Vergara's actions on the Hollywood Reporter cover are so hilarious.
When it come out yesterday or the day before, I realized it's like, I don't know what happened. It's like, look, they told me, come business casual.
Uh-huh.
Look at what I'm wearing.
Oh, you're doing business.
I mean, to me, that's business. Look at all of them. They look like they're gonna pray or they're going to...
Wow, she roasts them so effortlessly.
They have different ways of doing business.
I'm like, what business are they in? None of them work in the church or in the bank. And to me, this business casual is this.
Sofia's stories always make you laugh, right? Like and subscribe for daily laughs.